All right, so this is changing the engine mounts, the front engine mounts, GS350 all-wheel drive. So what I did was remove the under tray from here, right? There's another view. Remove that under tray from there, and I was able to get a socket right there and sit it on top of the, hold on, sit it on top of the bolt, which is a 17 millimeter. This is the mount right here, the engine mount. You sit the 17 right there on top of the bolt, back that out, and then this is the tool from the bottom. Jack up this side of the engine, and then you just wiggle it out. Now, here's the driver's side. Where are we? There we go. Here's the bottom and the top. I'm gonna try to get it from the engine bay, but that's it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. And take a picture.
Do you know any torque specs on this, or? I don't think you can get a torque wrench up in there.
I could just Google it.
Well, the bottom you can torque, but I don't think you're gonna be able to get the top.
Yeah, that's cool. Tight is tight, man. That's how I did with the transmission.
Tight
Tight is tight.
So this got to drop in here. You grab the right one?
Yeah. Want me to give it a shot?
Nope, I got it. Now, I would say use this to bring that down. You want to be able to make sure that
So support the engine pan on this one, the oil pan, and try to wiggle that thing out of there.
it's so fucking close.
Okay, so
Fuck with that.
wiggle it out that way, and then like that,
Can't you come back and put audio back on top of it?
and bam, got it out. Now we're gonna get this bolt
Where's that bolt at?
down there, right there. Okay, so I was able to tighten it, dropped it back in from on top, and there you go.